Hi friend, this is Vijayanand Jana. Welcome to our online classes. So student, last class we have discussed about what is diversity, how does diversity adds to our lives, okay? Because diversity, the difference, it is which helps in our life in a different way. It will create a beautiful nature or beautiful environment towards us where we can celebrate each other, every kinds of festivals, religions, cultures, backgrounds, and whatever other things. So diversity play a great role in our life. So now today we have to discuss what is diversity in India. Okay? So we know our country is the full of diversity. Okay? India is a country of diversity. Yes or no? Because India is a country of diversity. Because here different types of states is there, different types of languages are people use different types of cultures they celebrate, different types of foods they have, and different types of religion they have. So these all are mentioned, these all are the part of our India. It is mentioned, it is aspect that India is full of diversity, means difference. Yes or no? So now we will come to know that India is a diversity country, it is a country of diversity. Yes or no? So what are the things, if you will think in deeply, the things whatever we are doing, these are the all are the same, but we are doing in different way. Okay? The most of the thing we do similar. Okay? Similar, but in different way. Okay? The most of, if you will think you deeply, whatever we are doing, or it may be our culture, festivals, and different types of dresses, speaks languages, and other things, whatever we are doing, it is in different way. But the most of the thing is we do similar. Okay? It is similar, but in different ways. Okay? So for example, I will give the different way in which people speak. Yes or no? First thing is the different way the people speak. We language we are using different types of. You think this is Karnataka, our mother tongue is Kannada, and you think Tamil, Telugu. For Tamil Nadu, they will use Tamil. For Andhra Pradesh, they will use Telugu. For Odisha, they will use Odia. So different states they have different languages like different Telugu, Tamil, Odia, Kannada. So these are the things what. But we are speaking same, means language is different, we are talking different, but we speak in different, but our one motive is we should conversation same, but in we are different languages. Okay? So next is the way in which people cook different rice. Okay? The different way, first is this is the first thing, the different way in which people pray. Another thing, okay, first of thing, the different way in which people pray. Pray means what do you mean by pray? You think. When we are praying to God, we are taking thank God or something we are telling in our mother tongue or our other language. But in English language we are using thank God. In Hindi we are using Dhanyavad. Or in Kannada Dhanyavad God. Like this way we are using. Okay? But everyone are praying to God, but in different way. How? Different way. A Hindu is also praying, a Muslim also praying, praying to God, and a Sikh also praying to God, but languages is different and praying style is different. Yes or no? But all one, what it is? We are praying to God. Okay? Praying to God. All are praying to God but different way. Understood? So second thing is the different way in which people dress. So second thing is the different way in which people dress. Dress means their clothes, their dressing style. Okay? So the different way in which people dress means we are wearing dresses for our body, but we are wearing dresses in different way. Means in some of the states they are using dhoti or the lungi, but other of the states they are use their pants, shirts. Okay, so in Punjab they will use different way Punjabi dresses. So like this way. So in the country that according to their state they will use different dresses. But way is different, but they will wear the dress is same. Yes or no? The different way in which people wear dresses. Third point is the different way in which people greet each other. Okay, so the different way in which people greet each other means welcome. Okay, welcome. Okay, when we are coming to where in English we are telling welcome or someone is telling swagatam. So like this way we are greeting each other, but the greet is same, but the way is different. Yes or no? So like this the different way in which people greet each other. How someone is greeting by namaste or namaskar, or otherwise other people are by hugging they are greeting each other. Someone is shaking hand, they are greeting each other. So this is the way we are greeting each other in different way. But the same is similar things is we are greeting, but there is a way to greet different way. Okay, understood? So next point, this is the third point. The different way in which people cook rice. You think the different way in which people cook rice. Some of the places simply we will cook rice and eat with dal, but other places like Andhra Pradesh or some other places, they will cook rice, they will add chicken or biryani, they will make chicken biryani or mutton biryani with the help of rice, and some of the parts of India is there, they will make veg biryani. So like this there are different kinds of things we are doing similar but in different way. The rice is the same but we are cooking process is different. Okay. So next point is, this is the fourth point. Fifth is the different way in which people get married. Yes or no? So different way in which people get married. In India there are different Muslim is there, Hindu is there, Sikh is there, but different style of marriage process. Yes or no? We are getting married in our home. Someone is in masjid, someone is Sikh. So there we have a process of marriage is different. Process is marriage is different. You might have seen different in this type of marriage in movie or real life also, how they are getting married. So this is called different way in which people cook rice also. The different way in which people get married, the different way in which people pray, the different way in which people dress, the different way in which people greet each other. Yes or no? So these are the things we do similar but in different way. So another examples I can say. The different way in which people travel. Okay? Travel. How? You see, some of the people, if you want to go to any of the Bangalore, someone is going through the by the train, or someone is going with in the aeroplane. So like this way, someone is going with the help of bus. So different kinds of things with the different way in which people travel. Means we are going traveling, the similar thing, but the way is different. Okay, someone is going with the in train, someone is going in airplane, someone going by the bus. So like this, we do similar things but different way. So this is the diversity in India. If you think some of the case, we do similar things but in different way. So understood? I think everyone understood these things, because some of the things, our India is full of diversity, means difference from each and everyone. The things, some of the most of the things we do similar, but it is in different way. So now we come to know, we will study about the what is diversity. How can we explain the diversity? How diversity causes? Okay, how the diversity happens? So how do you explain diversity? Okay. So till now we have studied what is diversity, how the diversity added to our life, and India is the full of diversity. Now we will explain how do you explain diversity. How do you explain diversity? Okay, or how diversity causes? Okay, how diversity comes? Okay, how do you or how do we? Okay, how do we explain diversity? Okay. Means how diversity comes. How diversity create or comes. Okay. So first of thing we discussed, diversity comes. First, diversity comes due to the travel. Just now I said diversity comes due to travel one place to another place. Place to another place. Because of this also diversity comes. Second point is diversity comes due to movement of people. These all are, I will explain again one by one. Just write down the point first. Again, diversity comes due to history, a certain history. Okay. Fourth is diversity comes due to a geographical region. Okay, geographical, one second, I will write. Geographical region. Okay, so diversity first comes due to travel one place to another place. Diversity comes due to movement of people. Diversity comes due to history, and diversity comes due to geographical region. So first of things we will discuss diversity comes due to travel one place to another. Okay, you see, you think first, many years ago you used to travel on foot, on camels, on horse, in ships. Yes or no? To go far distance. We used to. That very many long years ago or ancient time, there was no advanced technology, so we used camel. So first what we used? Camel, horse, yes or no? Sheep. So this is the way on foot. We traveled camel, horse, sheep on foot in ancient time or long years ago. We used. So now we are using advanced technology, because that is instead of this train, bus, car, aeroplane to faster reach. Okay, so this is the things, it is comes diversity. Okay, so because long years ago you used to travel camels, horse, sheep and on foot, but now we are used to different types of train, bus, aeroplane to reach faster. So this is the also comes on our diversity. It changes. In before you used these things, now you are using modern technology. So it is also come. It brings also diversity. So diversity comes due to travel also. Okay. Now diversity comes due to movement of people. So movement, how diversity comes due to movement of people? Here movement means people, before people, what they did, they traveled, they moved to one place to another place. They will search new land, they will search a new land. Okay, after staying some years or long years here, after when they will get difficult to get food and their resources, then again they left their places, again they will search different places. So some other places they left because of war, lack of resources. So these are the things where they travel or move to one place to another place. If they search a new places after staying some long period of time, they are getting lack of resources, and if some wars happen or some wars or create problem, they left their places and search again another places. So this is also a, it comes diversity. Okay, it brings diversity, because when they search another places, and if now I am here staying in Canada, if they, after some years if I will go to Andhra Pradesh or Tamil Nadu, I have to change my places. When I am changing the places, I have to be with their environment, so I have to adjust to their language, their cultures, their festivals, their environment. So these are the things it create the diversity. Okay, when they are changing the places means. So student, so diversity comes due to history also. Again history. How diversity comes due to history? Because you think students, in many years ago, ancient time, people used to wear different types of plants leaves for their covering body. Yes or no? And they used to eat different types of animals' flesh. They used to sleep in forest. They used to stay in forest. They used to survive in their forest land. So now the modern means it is advanced technology. We are using different types of dresses and for eating different types of kinds of food. So it's far long changes from our history to now modern time, because it comes due to diversity, also comes due to history, because history also give a diversity. Because whatever the many years ago, the ancient time, in ancient time means 100 years or 500 years or 1000 years ago, people used to live in different lifestyle. But now if you compare in history with your modern time, it is far away or far distance, far changes also, because we are traveling in different places through our modern technology. You are using, and the computer you are using, different types of aeroplanes, train, bus, cars we are using, and for live different types of house we are using, and for covering our body we are using different types of different dresses, colorful dresses. So these are the things. Our history causes diversity, because the diversity comes due to history also. Okay, whatever the things happened in our history means ancient time, if you compare now, it is far changes. So diversity, then diversity, diversity comes due to geographical region. It's very important point. Diversity comes due to geographical region. Geographical region means the part of our country, India. Okay, so part of our country, India. India is a land of our India. How that part we are telling diversity comes due to geographical. Because you think, if you compare Kerala with your Jammu Kashmir or Karnataka or Jammu Kashmir, if you compare Karnataka state and Jammu Kashmir. Jammu Kashmir, because here always sun is, Jammu Kashmir is a state where always cool in nature, always cool there, and ice is there. But Karnataka sometimes rain is comes and always sun is there. Okay, so this is a geographical area. According to our geographical area, according to our state or according to our region, or places, the things different will happen. It comes also diversity. So diversity comes due to geographical area, means diversity comes due to different places or regions. Okay, so if we will compare with Kerala with Jammu Kashmir, there is also difference. So next class we will discuss more about the geographical area. So understood everybody? So first thing is diversity comes due to travel one place to another place. Travel means they search new places to adapt their life. Diversity comes due to the movement of people. Means sorry, travel means here they used to people camel or sheep on foot and now train, bus, car, aeroplane. But diversity comes due to the movement of the people means new places. They search new land for their adapt of their life. Diversity comes due to history. What I said just now about our ancient time and compare with the ancient people with now modern people. Diversity comes due to geographical region. Geographical region means it is a part of our country. Land part means if you will take Karnataka or Jammu Kashmir or Kerala, Jammu Kashmir there is far distance. Some of the place will get more rainfall. Some of the place there will get more sunny, and some of the place are there is too cool. Always in every year. So this is the according to places, according to region. So it comes under our diversity. So these are all things which create or which comes due to diversity. Okay, diversity comes due to these are the things. First is travel, then movement, then history, then geographical. I think everybody understood what is diversity in our India. Okay, and how do we explain the diversity or diversity create, how the diversity create or comes? So student, I think everyone understood clearly, and any doubt you ask in my comment box, and study well, read the books carefully, and student please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, then you can get every classes from me. Thank you student, take care.